Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to open command prompt window. So in the search bar, type here cmd, right click here and select run as administrator, select as. Once we are here, we need to execute the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time, around 10 to 15 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is, and we need to complete this up to the 100%. Once done, we need to close this window and then open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out System32 folder, open it, and here we need to locate the file regit. Here it is. Just right click on it and select copy. You can also press just Ctrl C and minimize this, complete this up to the 100%, then paste that file on the desktop. Once done, type exit, just double click on it, select as, and there we go, your problem is solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.